Hello, and this is an unboxing video for Evening Lust. This one is the sequel for Morning Lust, and it's my collaboration work with Orca Parfums. Yes, and the image that you see right here is to emulate yung feeling ng asarom ka with your significant other and you're looking outside the windows, hence the blinds and the full moon. Now, as you can see, it has the Orca logo here, scent name, same here, and at the back you could see the ingredient list and also the note list. By the way, this is an extrait de parfum, and here are the notes. Without further ado, let us unbox this. Ooh, there you go. Oh yeah, it's always so satisfying kapag meron ganito. I mean, it's part of the experience yung nagpupunit ka ng ganito. Oh yeah, this is nice. Again, this is already available in Shopee. I'll be dropping the link below. So there, beautiful. Sliding siya. Alright. This is the company that is producing this. I am collaborating with them, and let's see what's inside, how you would see it when you buy it. A beautiful, neat bottle. God, ang ganda ng kulay. This is strong, by the way. So, yeah, look at that. It's a continuous pressurized sprayer. Sobrang bango. This is actually perfect for the rainy days. Lalo na ngayon, it's raining here in my location. So, don't forget Evening Lust as well as Morning Lust. It's also available in Shopee. I will see you soon.